First I drop my top, ay, then I swear my clothes, ay, counting all these bands, ay, who the fuck are you, ay? First I drop my top, ay, then I swear my clothes, ay, counting all these bands, ay, who the fuck are you, ay? First I drop my top, ay, then I swear my clothes, ay, counting all these bands, ay, who the fuck are you?
Welcome back. I'm back in the cut, but here is my eyebrow tutorial. People been asking. I'm gonna take my my brown eyebrow kit. So I'm gonna draw a line at the bottom of my eyebrow and start. Then gonna brush it up, make sure it's right. Then I'm gonna start with one at the bottom still. Then I'm gonna start at the top to make the line. Brush it. And to get your arch, you gotta like arch the way you want it. You got thin eyebrows, do it thin. You got thick eyebrows like me. Don't think. I mean, if you don't have no eyebrows like on the side, barely got hair on the side, you fill it in with the dip brow. Then brush it to fill it in. Then you add some more on your brush and just fill the whole thing in. And make sure it's right. Make sure it's perfect. You're not done right now. So now I'm gonna take my concealer. Draw a line at the bottom. Make sure you not color your eyebrow, cause you know that video on YouTube. I mean on Instagram. Make sure you get that right. Go on the side. Make sure you not mess up. Okay. So now I'm gonna take my finger and blend it all in to make sure it's right and blend it in. People be using brushes and things to blend theirs in. I use my fingers because it's better like that. So you can. Make sure you blend that part in. So now this is the end part. That's how I do my eyebrows. People been asking me how I do my eyebrows, so this is how. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe.